Good morning, everyone. How's everybody doing today? This is Lynette from Grammy Crochet. This is Spirit Week Podcast Ugly Shirt Day. Podcaster Spirit Week Ugly Shirt Day. I don't know which day of the week that number. It's Wednesday. And I really don't have shirts that I think are ugly. I don't buy them if I don't like them. Except this one isn't the prettiest shirt that I have. And I don't wear it very much because I don't really like it. So I chose this shirt as my ugly shirt. But it's really not all that ugly necessarily. It's just not. It's just kind of blah. The ugliest clothing in my wardrobe are my work shirts. And I was really, really tempted to wear my work shirt. It doesn't say the company name on it. There's no logo. It's a dress shirt. And it really is ugly. And I have 3 of them. But I thought better of... I don't know if I should do that. Even though it doesn't have the company logo. But I don't even know if we have a logo. I'm drinking coffee from a mug that Dana from Dana's Wanderlust sent to me. Thank you so much, Dana. I do love this mug. And yeah, I'm still a little rough. I did take some medicine this morning. I had a rough night last night. Nothing major, just some sinus congestion, so I took some sinus pills. That's enough about that. So I'm sorry that we are not in the yarn room today, but honestly, that meant another trip up the stairs. It's chilly. My knees are killing me already, and I haven't even worked yet. So I thought, you know what? I'm just going to save my knees a trip and a work down here, or a video down here. Pardon me. This is going to be a short one. But I do have a finished project. This month, the crochet calendar. Oh dear, I lost the page. Project is these baskets. I totally love the baskets. I think they're so adorable. I had you guys pick out yarn with me in the yarn room. And I'm going to tell you, the construction of this one, and I just read this one, I figured out the orange part of it. Like, these stripes are made in tubes. And then I don't know how to connect them together. I couldn't figure that out. I don't understand what she was doing with how she got the brown in the middle. It was kind of later in the day when I was trying to figure it out. And I just got frustrated and said, I'll do my own thing. And so I kind of did. I did use the circular bottom like she did. And this is Annie's Crochet Calendar 2022. I don't know, I just wasn't figuring it out. Pardon me. So, I just did a rib stitch around, and it is the same height pretty much, but, you know, tie your tongue on yarn. It's not blocked. And I didn't use the brown. Since I didn't put the brown in here, I thought I'm just going to go with the green, and that's just a scrap yarn, because I don't know how to do the brown in there. And I wasn't going to open the skein just to do this little viney thing. And I didn't have any brown scraps, so I was real surprised by that. But it does hold a plate. You know, I did put plates in it. It does hold plates. These plates are stretching it a little bit. I think it's designed for a smaller plate. I think these are 9-inch, and it's designed more for an 8-inch. But it fits. I mean, it works. And I love it. I think it's adorable. Even though I do like it better with the brown on it. I guess I could, if I really wanted to, this is done double-stranded. I didn't even realize that at first, but it is double-stranded. But I guess I could take one strand. The brown in the pattern is one strand. And, like, weave it around. I'm satisfied with it the way it is right now. And I'm not going to do the other ones, I've decided, because I couldn't figure out the first one, so I'm not going to do the other ones. I might do a tall one, just like this, but not as big around and tall to hold silverware, plasticware. But I keep my plasticware in trays, like at the camper, and I have the same tray here. So that would just be a pain in the rear end. So I'm not sure. Not sure if I'm going to do that or not. And I don't know what else I would put in them. So, but I like this one for plates. I like it a lot. I think it's really cute. And that's all the finished projects I have. I did make that over the last day or two. I have stuff I think at the post office. If I can get to the post office before work this morning, that would be fabulous. Because I think I have things there. And I'm excited to get them. I think some of them I can show you and some of them I cannot. So we'll see how that goes. Wish me luck. Oh, the medicine's kicking in a little already. I can feel it. Yay. So, I will see you guys tomorrow. I don't know what tomorrow's day is. I have to check for Spirit Week. But thanks for watching. Again, if you make these, any baskets, I would say do a, like in a fall theme color scheme. Send me pictures to my Facebook group page or email me. Links are in the description box below. And you'll be entered for a prize. I've been doing $25 gift cards. But I need a picture. So you need to send the pictures. And you'll be entered for the prize drawing at the end of the month. Or beginning of next month. Whichever comes first. Or last. Probably whichever comes last. So beginning of the next month. Alright. That's it. I gotta go. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.